Footpath 32 and 40, where on earth have you both gone? The signs went up years ago, yet somehow they're still not on. Just a temporary closure, every notice proudly said. At this rate we'll need our bus passes before the paths are back instead. 32 and 40, closed again, well, what a story. Another notice on the gate, they'll open soon, but no one knows the date. April brought another notice, closed till October, loud and clear. We've heard that every few months now, year after hopeful year. The council says when works are done, that's all they'll guarantee, which sounds suspiciously like saying sometimes before eternity. 32 and 40, walking rounds become a sport, see. The local paper shakes its head, their opening soon is what we've always read. So here's a plea to Nottinghamshire, before our boots grow mold, open up the footpaths now before we're far too old.